up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we're going to show you a couple things around the shop. This main update is going to be for Hurricane and Typhoon. So we posted yesterday / last night / this morning a couple of updates. I kind of let the cat out of the bag. So the secret, what's going on here? I'll tell you in a little bit. First of all, we're going to show you a couple things we got going here. First of all, we got another V6 in. This, however, is a Camaro V6. Got an Edelbrock supercharger on it. This thing's pretty awesome. We are tuning it. We did full long tube. Well, they're downpipes. Long tube downpipes, catted still. Full exhaust by MRT all the way out. We are a dealer for them. We installed this this pretty slick wing for the customer. I think it looks pretty good. Not bad. Very aggressive, but it looks pretty good. We got another Camaro under here, getting a Holley high ram intake. Obviously we got Watch My Ego's car, getting an engine back together. The full UPR suspension, Viking suspension, 5-lug disc brake swap, Willwood big brakes on this Fox body. Heck yeah. Pretty sick. Getting some more stuff done to the 2-valve swap. Hopefully get it up and running here again soon. Coyote swap's going. We got a bunch of V6s here for turbos. You know, lots of stuff going on. Main thing with the Miata, getting the new motor. So the old motor, everything's getting pulled out of that. We're ordering parts, gonna get that thing going. So what you guys actually want to hear about is Hurricane and Typhoon. So yesterday, Michael and I went up and we dropped off Typhoon up at ProFab Performance Plus. They're checking out the cage, all the stuff on it to make sure that car is A+, good to go, will be certified and safe to run 7s. We don't do a lot of chassis stuff here when it comes to that, so we're letting those guys handle it, and then we'll get it back ready to go. They're also installing our doors for us and all of our Lexan windows while they're there, because we wanted the roof basically still to be unattached so they could check it all out, and then they're gonna put it all back together for us. And when we get it back, we'll be ready to drop in our wiring and our fuel system and our engine and trans. Then it's time to go racing. Now, that car is getting our turbo 3.7 V6. We were gonna do a big Barra build in it, but I changed my mind on that. We're selling the Barras so fast I can barely keep them here, and we're gonna put a Barra in our F100 instead and not have 2 Barra builds. So because we do so much with the Cyclone world, we're gonna keep 2 Cyclone cars. That's right, keep 2. So Hurricane here, that's right, you're seeing we're getting the front end started to get fitted for that nice 2-piece. Looks so aggressive, doesn't it? So Typhoon, that's the black one. They're all gonna be color changed, by the way. New wraps, everything's going on them. Paint, it's gonna be awesome. But Typhoon's gonna be the boosted build. We're gonna shoot, the end goal is to run 7s in Typhoon. Yes, I know it's insane, I know it's fast, I know nobody's ran faster than a 9.56 or whatever, which is barely faster than what we ran with that 200,000 mile stock motor, and Hurricane being kind of heavy. So Typhoon is going to be our super lightweight, boosted, absolutely insane build with that. It's got a 9-inch rear end under it. We're gonna go balls out on that one and see if we can go really, really fast. Hurricane is getting another motor, stock probably again to start, a new transmission, and we're going to run it on a built motor eventually that's in the works with our heads, cam, and intake setup, naturally aspirated and then on nitrous. What that's gonna do for us is we're gonna have a full NA car Hurricane, which we're going to try and see if we can get into the 10s naturally aspirated and then 9s on spray. I think we can probably do high 10s NA, that's only a second faster, and we're gonna be dropping several hundred pounds off the car, as well as adding hopefully another 100 horsepower. Because naturally aspirated, when we ran that 1199, we were making about 328 rear wheel horsepower through the 6R80. So we're gonna put a different transmission in it, completely new tuning system, and we're gonna run it naturally aspirated, and then we're gonna spray the heck out of it, you know, maybe a 200 shot. But with our heads and cams, we're hoping for 450 to 500 wheel horse. So that's at minimum 120 more horsepower than the car had already. We think we can do it based upon all of the data we've seen from the heads and the cam so far, and with the intake being done, we're pretty excited about it. But yeah, so naturally aspirated Hurricane and nitrous assisted Hurricane. This is going to be NA 37, and then we'll have our boosted. So eventually the goal is to have basically a 10 and 9 second naturally aspirated nitrous car, and then a high 7s, low 8s, mid 8s, whatever we can get it to, and repeat it with Typhoon so that we can just keep going and going and going. So I hope you guys are appreciating this fact that we're doing it, because we are pushing this platform further than anyone else ever has. We are going deeper than anyone else wants to go, and we're going faster than anyone else is ever going to go. They're Mafia tuned, Mafia built, Mafia raced. We're getting it done. I'm really excited for these. They've been sitting for too long, so finally I'm basically saying, screw it, let's get these things done, let's put them together. We've had parts accumulating for over a year now for Hurricane, but it's time to get it going again. So we're getting them done. We're gonna knock it out of the park, get it absolutely blasted, and yeah, hopefully we can see those times. So look forward to it, guys. Ask any questions that you guys have below. We'll answer pretty much anything, any of your questions. The heads and cam package probably gonna be about $5,500. The intake itself, probably in the range of $3,500 to $5,000 for the billet intake. That will / can, depending on the price, include the air to water intercooler system, which is gonna be on Typhoon. But yeah, I think we're gonna do full race on Hurricane as well, because it wasn't before. Now she's going full tin can status. We're gonna probably end up having to order another set of doors and another deck lid for it, just to make everything super light. That way we have 2 full-blown race cars. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we will check you next time.